Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So as a result, Samsung is anticipated to announce more Galaxy A series smartphones for 2022 later this month. The Galaxy A53 was leaked early this week and now Galaxy A73's initial press renders have surfaced. Today we have image of the Galaxy A73 that looks to be authentic. The image was leaked by 91 Mobiles, shows a device with a nearly no bezel similar to what we have seen in the previous Galaxy A73 images. Let me tell you something, the phone was featured in Geekbench a few days ago providing us information about the CPU. The A73 will employ the Snapdragon 770G which is a performance monster. The chipset is the same as the one found in the Galaxy A52s 5G. However, this does not imply that the A53 will follow the suit. An Exynos 1200 variant of the A53 5G had already leaked on the Google Play console. The leaked press image shows a massive 6.7 inches Super AMOLED Infinity-O display with Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz as the standard. The display resembles the Galaxy A72, its predecessor, as well as Galaxy A53 which was leaked previously. The Galaxy A73 on the other hand will be somewhat larger than its A50 series brother due to minor variation in the ratio. We also discovered that the fingerprint reader is located beneath the display, which I prefer over the side mounted scanner. The A53 by comparison will be smaller, 6.52 inches display, 120Hz AMOLED and have the same 5000 mAh capacity and 25 watt charging, but the camera is expected to continue with the 64 megapixel sensor in the primary with no telephoto lens. According to another rumor, the Galaxy A53 will cost €470, a bit higher than the A52s 5G launch price. The A73's remarkable 108 megapixel primary camera, which is supplemented by 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth sensor, may be one of the phone's key selling features. NFC, USB Type-C, dual speakers and an IP67 rating are among the phone's other features which Samsung has yet to confirm. When it comes to the pricing, there is now no information available. However, if any information becomes available, I will be sure to inform you all. So stay tuned for more tech news just like this. So what do you think about this Galaxy A73 device? Let me know in the comment box below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.